So I'm out here skateboarding right now. I've already had a few rounds, done a few rounds, whatever. But I also have a lot on my mind and a lot of free time. So might as well talk, right? So basically, I have a funny perception of what is perceived as God. I refuse to believe in God's existence until I find out for myself. I'm not against it. I'm just waiting until the opportunity comes for me to realize it myself. I don't want to blindly believe in it. I feel like that's fair. So, despite that, I still visit temples now and then. Not a lot of people know about this. Actually, nobody does. But today I'm here to talk about why and how I feel the idea of a God might have helped me. Even when I told you, as of now, I don't believe in such a thing. So, basically, I go to temples, and what do I do if I don't believe that something so-called God exists? Well, I just have a conversation. I pretend someone like God does, and I just have a conversation. That's funny though, because as a kid, I was convinced God was real, and I'm born in a pretty religious household. So the occasion of so-called communication with God or just praying in general, it happened a lot to me. And I will be quite frank about this. As a kid, I never knew what to talk about with God. Like, given a chance, what would you all talk about with God? Like, it is so situation heavy. Like, sometimes some things make sense to talk about, while other times you're just there drawing a blank. And well, I've drawn a blank quite, like, for the most of the time I tried to talk to God. This time I just treated God as another fellow human. Just a person who somehow happens to know everything and is able to do anything. Nothing about righteousness or doing what's right, because to be fair, all of that is very subjective. So, yeah. But I will tell you, in my conversation I had the other day, I found solutions to so many of my problems just by talking to this so-called person. I did not need to elaborate my thoughts, did not need to make them presentable, because someone like God who knows everything can also just feel my emotions and know what I want to say. With that, I was able to address the problem clearly, even more clearly than what I had known. So, that's one thing I realized. And pretending to talk to someone who knows everything, you have nothing to hide. You have nothing to deny. With someone who is all forgiving, you can be as pathetic as you want, as pathetic as you feel you are. And he'll just be there listening. In doing that, I laid out my problems in front of me clearly. And yeah, it helped. It helped quite a bit. Yeah, I don't know. It was just funny how even without the belief in something, that something was able to help me. The idea of God does not have to be a particular thing. It does not have to be a clear-cut idea. It can just be a vague image in your mind that helps you enough to treat it like something else, something distinct from you. Being able to give the image qualities that you want will help you depending on what you need in the moment. By giving it certain rigid qualities, the idea becomes complex for no reason. And excuse me. And yeah, takes the fun out of it, you know. So yeah, that's with me and God and what I felt. I'll probably have to voice this over once again because I don't know if y'all could even hear me. But yeah, I know I pretty much only showed y'all the shadow, but honestly there is nothing to see on the road. I was walking most of the time because it was an uphill. Skateboarding was only there for the end. But yeah, that's me. Once again. I don't know. I like the way my brain works. I like the way, despite there being times where I could have really used some supernatural help, something all knowing and all forgiving that will just make my life better. Even then, being in a very big low that I haven't experienced in quite a while, I did not give up my values. I did not give up what I believed in. I'm still here, just the way I was before. Nothing really changed because I feel nothing about me had to. I was fine, I am fine the way I am. Yeah, that's me, everyone. It also gives clarity of mind, you know, just being in a temple, being in anywhere where there is less of noise and more of just people like you being there to do something I don't really know what people do. I don't like asking God for stuff because, come on, you can, if we were able to learn something from God, if there were someone like that with all the knowledge that there is, what more could you want except for the knowledge? Like, that's crazy. Yet people be out here asking for stuff. Like, I'm pretty sure I haven't just fallen to that low where I really, the thing that gets me going is generally asking for something supernatural. or something materialistic. But hey, not judging. This was just an opinion of a 16-year-old guy who happens to like skateboarding as well. Honestly, it's pretty broken, as you all can tell. I like it though. It does the job. It is a downhill road. I could have skateboarded for the time I've been talking now, but honestly, this is more soothing. I'm pretty sure I would have crashed into someone by now. So, here I am.